Hi everybody, I'm Alexis with Financial Phoenix. I am here to share with you. I have been out all day doing deals. I have been to Kroger, CVS, Walmart, and I am about to hit up DG. Oh my word, I am so tired, but I am on that couponer's high like you would not believe. So yeah, stick around. Today I'm actually in the Walmart parking lot right now. I just got done doing some Ibotta deals, and now I am headed to Dollar General to do a gain deal, which you guys are not going to want to miss. And our gain deal is not for Saturday, so you can do this anytime throughout the week that suits you, as long as you have the coupon. So stick around. We're going to do those two deals today. I'm also going to grab a couple things on the 3-day sale, Wednesday through Friday. So you cannot do these deals Saturday during 5 off 25. They will not combine, but there are some good deals to be had, so stick around. Okay, for the 3-day sale, I am picking up 5 packs of Dr. Pepper. They are 3 for $10 this week, just during these days. And I'm going to go ahead and pick those up. And we're going to use the $2 off digital coupon, making them 5 for $8. I'm also picking up 4 of these 2 liters of Coke because they are 4 for $4. Okay, so a portion of my footage got deleted here, so I just wanted to let you guys know exactly how I did this deal. As you can see from the photo there with the very excited Jackson showing off all of our haul, we got the 6 packs of the Dr. Pepper, and we got those with the $2 off digital, which I'll show here. Also, we picked up 4 of the 2 liters of Coke, 3 of the Pringles Wavy chips because they were 3 for $4, and then the Cheez-Its were $2 for the box. So the Coke, the Pringles, and the Cheez-Its together equals $10, and we had a $4 off when you spend 10 coupon that we got from texting the word Jolly to a number which I will link in the description box and maybe put up on the screen here for you. So that's what we did there. So the Coke, the Pringles, and the Cheez-Its together is for that deal. And then lastly, the Jellos, the Jello cheesecake boxes are each $2 a piece. The last one, the strawberry one that you see there, being $2.95. They're buy one get one free, just on sale this week. And there is a $2 off of 6 Kraft baking supplies coupon that you can link in your digital account. So if you clip that and then pick up 4 boxes, making sure one of the boxes is the $2.95 version, take that to the register and you should pay $2.95 for all 4 boxes. So that ended up being a really good deal too. So the Coke deal and the Dr. Pepper deal ended up being $14, and the Jello cheesecakes ended up being $2.95. So that's where you can go with this little mini food deal during the week. And remember, the Dr. Pepper is on sale just Wednesday through Friday, so that is only a 3-day deal. But let's be honest, deal 2 is what you guys are waiting on. I know you guys are all about that gain, so let's get gain wasted. Okay, for our gain deal, we're going to start by picking up 2 of the gain flings, the 12 to 14 count. They're $3.95. We have this $2 off digital coupon, making it $1.95. And we also have this $2 off paper coupon to use on the next one. I can't remember the insert right now, so I'll put that in the description box or I'll link it there. But you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 of those, use 2 of the $2 off coupons, and add those to your transaction. Okay, the next item that we're going to pick up are the Febreze Air. Make sure you're getting the gain scent because that's what's going to attach with that 5 off of 20 gain coupon. Go ahead and pick up 2 of those. They're buy one, get one free with a digital coupon that we have, so clip that to your account and pick up 2. Go ahead and pick up 2 of the Gain fabric softeners. You want to make sure you're getting the 64 ounce. That's what's going to work with both of our paper and our digital coupons, and they are $3 tagged here
but they're actually $2.95 on sale. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of those, and we're gonna use a digital $2 off coupon and a paper $2 off coupon for our transaction. And lastly, just pick up a Gain 34 count dryer sheets. These are $2. This is just a filler item to get us over that $20 threshold. Make sure you have your 5 off of 20 Gain coupon clipped and head to the register. Also, remember that the order of your transaction matters, so you're going to want to put in your, scan your items first, put in your phone number and have your digitals come off, and then finally hand over your paper coupons after all of that. Otherwise, your transaction's not going to go right.
Okay, so after all is said and done, remember you're using a $2 off paper coupon and a $2 off digital coupon on the Gain Flings. You'll be using a same thing, $2 off paper and a $2 off digital on the Gain fabric softener. And those are big jugs, so that's a really good deal. And then you're going to use the buy one, get one coupon that's in your account. It's actually $3 off, but it works out to be the same thing. On the Febreze in your digital account as well. And then the sheets was a filler item, like I said, so we have no coupons for that. And then make sure your digital 5 off of 20 Gain coupon is clipped. Go up to the register and do your transaction in the appropriate order. If you are confused about that, check out our Basics of Shopping at Dollar General video that'll be linked in the description box below. And your final total should come out to $5.80, which works out, I think, to like 82 or 83 cents a piece for all this Gain. So that is a fantastic deal. I'm so excited. I'm on a couponer's high right now. It looks like Jackson is too. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Also, we were going to have... I'm trying to think, maybe tomorrow, a food deal, because you guys requested a food deal for Dollar General, so we'll have another 5 off of 25 coming out tomorrow as well as our resale video that will be coming out on Friday. So check back in for those. That's going to be awesome. I'm Alexis with Financial Phoenix, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, guys.
Shut up and sit down.